dancing. Tweeter and the Monkey Man were harder for cash. They stayed up all night selling cocaine and hash to an undercover cop who had a sister named Jan. For reasons unexplained, she loved the Monkey Man. Tweeter was a Boy Scout once he went to Vietnam. Had to find the hard way that nobody gives a damn. They knew they'd find their freedom just across the Jersey line. Hopped into a stolen car, took Highway 99, and the walls came down. All the way to hell. Never saw them when they're standing, never saw them when they fell. The undercover cop never liked the Monkey Man. Even back in high school, wanna see him in the can. Jen got married at 14 to a racketeer named Bill. Made secret plans for the Monkey Man for the mansion on the hill. Out on Thunder Road, Tweeter at the wheel. Pulled into the paradise, you could hear the tires squeal. Jen told me many times that you knew me hard. Kingston Airways legal, man, as long as you don't get caught. And the walls came down all the way to hell. Never saw them when they're standing, never saw them when they fell. By Ryan prison, well, they ran out of gas. The undercover cop cornered them, said, you didn't think this could last. Jen jumped up out of bed and said, there's someplace I gotta go. She pulled the gun out of the drawer, says, best that you don't know. An ambulance showed up, they triple close behind. Tweeter pulled his gun away and messed up his mind. The undercover cop was sent down in the field. The Monkey Man was on the river bridge using Tweeter as a shield. And the walls came down all the way to hell. Never saw them when they're standing, never saw them when they fell. The town of Goshen City, well, it's quiet down again. I'm sitting in this music club, it's called the DC Stage. The TV set is blown up, every bit of it is gone. Ever since the night that they showed that the Monkey Man was gone. Maybe I'll go to Florida, get myself some sun. There ain't no more opportunities here and everything's been done. Sometimes I think of Tweeter and sometimes I think of Jam. Sometimes I don't think about nothing but the Monkey Man. And the walls came down all the way to hell. Never saw them when they're standing, never saw them when they fell. And the walls came down, and the walls came down all the way to hell, all the way to hell. Never saw them when they're standing, never saw them when they fell. Thank you so much for being with us, guys. It means so much.
That's a wrap. That's a wrap.
Happy New Year, everybody. Enjoy your night, enjoy the weekend, enjoy your life.
Yeah, thank you so much for coming.
We haven't played in a year. We didn't think anybody would want to hear us play one more song. No, that's all we got, man. We only have 14 songs. We played them all. Thank you so much.